Hi everyone, welcome to Howxt channel. Myself Martin Joseph. Today I would like to share about 5 best content for YouTube in 2021. If you start your YouTube channel in 2021, you need to concentrate on the content. With the content, you can able to succeed your YouTube channel. You can get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours easily. I would like to share about 5 best content to run your YouTube channel successfully. Let's see. Number 1. If you start your YouTube channel, you need to have the content with top 5 or top 10 or top 50 like that. So if you have your food review or if you have any other movie review, top 5 movies, top 5 songs, top 5 educational application, top 5 lifestyle, top 5 shoes and etc. If you choose that kind of top 5 means it will succeed your YouTube channel in 2021. So this is the best content. You can able to get different kind of variety of information and make a top related top 5. It will be succeed for your YouTube channel. Number 2, food review. If you have a different kind of foods, so you can have your food and you can give the review to the audience so that audience also can try. So this is food review 2021 is hugely different kind of audience will be watching food review. So if you have your own food, you can prepare your own food, you can make the review so that audience can able to watch. Don't go any other hotels and don't spend lot of money. With your home itself, you can prepare and you can make a food review. So this channel also will get more and more views. So you can try for the food review also. This is also best content in 2021. Number 3, food challenges. If you have challenges video in YouTube means the lot of viewers can like to watch the challenges. For example, 1 minute 5 idlis and 10 minutes total biryani and different kind of food challenges and chocolates eating or Pepsi Coke or drinking. Different kind of food challenges, if you have the video means the audience will like and watch the video. So that also get familiar with a YouTube channel facilities. Yes, using the food challenges you will get a different kind of viewers and you will get easily monetization will be enabled in your YouTube channel. Number 4, how to earn money in online. In 2020 there are different kind of people lost their jobs and they are trying to get a different kind of job. So how to earn money in 2021, every people are searching in the search bar. So as you see, different kind of people are watching how to earn money in online. So you can make a video of how to make a money in online, how to make easy money in online. That kind of videos, automatically your viewers will be increased. So the 2021 is easy to get a YouTuber. As a YouTuber, if you want to earn lot of things, learn lot of things using how to earn money in online, easy to access, how to work in online, that kind of video the viewers will like and watch. And last, 5th content, best content is business tutorial. If you have a small business tutorial, if you have a small kind of business, if you shoot and show to the audience will like that kind of tutorials. The business tutorial is most properly people are watching, so they will like to watch the videos. So the business tutorial means you don't want to go for the high level of business, the small kind of business. For example, carpentry works, cement works or any other art and craft works, the audience may like and get views. So the people, those who are having 2021 YouTube viewers, they are likes to watch how to earn money, how to get the business and business tutorial. So this kind of videos, the 5 content, best content if you place in the YouTube means your channel will be succeed. I hope this video will help you to grow your YouTube channel succeed. Keep on watching YouTube series in Howxt channel and get a good idea and make your YouTube videos succeed. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.